Hey guys, if you've been paying attention to the economy lately or just looking for something that holds value better than your favorite cryptocurrency, you probably noticed gold quietly doing its thing. While everything else feels like it's on a roller coaster, gold has this way of standing firm like the one guy at karaoke who doesn't crack under pressure. Now today, I'm giving you 7 reasons why 2025 might be the year to make gold your MVP. And trust me, by the end, you'll see why people are turning to Goldco's precious metals IRAs to help protect their hard-earned assets. Plus, there's a special offer you'll want to hear about, so stick around for all the details. Let's start with something gold is famous for. It doesn't lose its cool, unlike paper money, which governments can print faster than your printer jams. Gold holds its value over the long term. It's been doing this for centuries. According to an article from Investopedia, gold doesn't corrode, doesn't go out of style, and doesn't need a reboot every 2 years like your smartphone. A third of the gold sold today is even recycled. So not only does it hold value, but it also gets a second life, something my New Year's resolutions could learn from. Now, gold's ability to shine brightest isn't just because it's pretty. It has this uncanny knack for thriving when things get dicey. The article points out that during the economic chaos of the 2020s, when inflation soared and geopolitical tensions flared, gold became the ultimate safe haven. It's like that one friend who always has a plan when your group gets lost on vacation. Central banks around the world caught on and started adding more gold to their reserves, proving that even the big players know gold is a reliable option when uncertainty strikes. And by the way, if you're wondering how to make gold work for you, here's something cool. Goldco is offering an exclusive chance to qualify for up to a 10% instant match in bonus silver and even a free Ronald Reagan half-ounce silver coin. This offer is first come, first served, and supplies are limited. So click the link in the description to get your free gold and silver kit and see if you qualify. It might be just the smartest move you make this year. But here's where gold really gets interesting. It's excellent at preserving your capital. Fiat currencies can be printed endlessly, making them vulnerable to inflation. Gold, on the other hand, is rare. Its global supply only increases by about 1% a year. Think about it. If money were cake, fiat is that flavorless store-bought kind, where gold is the homemade one that everyone fights over at family gatherings. This scarcity is part of what keeps gold valuable year after year. What's even cooler is how gold helps keep things balanced. It's like the team player of financial assets. Gold has historically had a negative or low correlation with other markets, meaning that when stocks or bonds struggle, gold often holds its own or even rises. However, recent years have shown that gold doesn't always follow the old rules. For example, in the 2020s, gold and the stock market both rose simultaneously, breaking from their usual patterns. This unpredictability makes gold an interesting asset. While it may not always behave as expected, its independence from traditional financial trends helps bring balance to a portfolio. And let's not forget gold's resilience during geopolitical turmoil. The Investopedia article refers to gold as a crisis commodity, which basically means that when the world gets messy, people flock to gold. Its independence from any single government or political system make it a global safe haven. Whether you're in Nevada, where most U.S. gold is mined, or halfway around the world, gold is universally recognized and valued. Wars, economic sanctions, currency devaluations, gold remains the one constant. It's like that sturdy carry-on luggage you've had forever, ready to go anywhere and withstand anything. Another reason gold continues to shine? Supply constraints. While global demand for gold has doubled in the past decade, production has struggled to keep up. Sure, recycling helps fill the gap, but it's not enough to meet everyone's appetite for this shiny metal. In fact, central banks slowed their selling of gold reserves after 2008, and mining production peaked in 2019. When demand outpaces supply, prices tend to climb, and gold is no exception. Look, if you've made it this far, you probably see why gold is such a powerhouse asset. And if you're wondering how to get started, well, here's your chance. Goldco's free gold and silver kit is packed with insights, plus you may qualify for up to 10% instant match in bonus silver and a free Ronald Reagan half-ounce silver coin. Supplies are limited, so click the link in the description to get your kit today and see if you qualify. Don't miss out. This could be your golden opportunity.